I'm with you, fellas. Let's do it.
Someone in the woods. Watch where you shoot. Oh.
Wow, none of those buzzes. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Show some good sportsmanship.
Bump up there with Havoc. No, there's not. I'm gonna go get my freaking paintball gun in a minute. Right there in front of you, over the ref.
Hey, White.
I can't see.
Hey, guys, pay attention.
Just got Havoc.
Hey.
Yeah.
Can y'all get me up through there?
I don't know.
There's one. Are they in the woods or are they in the field?
They're in the woods. Some of them are in the field.
Hey, you need help?
Get it!
I gotta help you guys.
Zach! He's right there.
What?
He's right there. Behind that, see that netting? He's in the woods in a bunker right behind it.
Yeah, I know.
Where? Right there. Hey. Right here. Hey, top of your head.
Good job, ref. Even though he's on my side, always promote fair play. I don't like to see. And you know, some of them are, I'm sure, just don't knows.
Yeah, I mean, there's spaces that you just can't tell. Sometimes on your helmet, your gun, your pack,